Hey guys, welcome back to Ninth Street Chic by yours truly, Dominique Cherise. And today I didn't waste any time getting into this video. Pretty much, I'm showing you guys how I style my lock rope. So, usually when I get my hair done, like I don't know what it is about now, but my scalp is extremely tender and I've never really been tender headed. So, I don't like to get certain pinups like that are hard to sleep on. I love getting lock ropes because you can do your own little styles and then take them out when you're ready to go to sleep, and it's comfortable. So that's why I love getting these. I didn't do it myself. I didn't retwist or style the lock twist myself. The rope twist myself. So that's something, if you know how to do it, go ahead and do that yourself. Or if you don't, go to the hairdresser. You can ask for lock ropes, and this is what they look like. Ooh. So that ponytail is so light. That's kind of why I was doing all that. Like it just felt so light and good on my head. Usually when I get certain stuff, it's just so heavy. Like even these buns, like after a couple hours, my neck starts to hurt. And I don't know if it's just me, because other people I've talked to that have really long hair like mine, a lot of them don't complain about heaviness or like just your neck hurting or going to sleep. Some people it's comfortable for them, but for me it's a struggle. Sorry, I am so out of frame right here. So I'm going to probably insert a picture, because I wear my hair like this all the time. Like when I get rope twist, and I was bartending at the time, so I just never wanted my hair to be anywhere below my shoulders because nobody wants hair in there. Okay, so this is a clip of me at my old job, actually bartending. Like I said, after a while, your head starts to get heavy. Sometimes I used to have to redo my hair because I was moving around so much. Sometimes it would fall down. So this is just me just redoing the bun and how it's look. It's a little leaning, and then my face says exactly how I feel at the end. Like I hate it working there. So like I'm still here. So yeah. So for these styles, you're probably only going to need like one or two headbands. Those are not scrunchies, those are headbands, the Dollar Tree ones, and they work really good for locks, because if you try to use like regular little hair ties, whatever you call them things, the little small ones, it's too much tension on your locks. Look at that face. Oh my gosh. Why do I make weird faces? And I've been told that like my family, which is like my family last name on my mother's side is Patterson. So we got big foreheads, Patterson foreheads, and we I don't know about the rest of my family, but I know like me, my mother, and my grandmother, we make some wild faces, y'all. Like I don't even realize the faces I make sometimes. And people be like, "Why you looking like that?" And I'm like, "I don't know what you talking about. I don't know why I'm making that face." But anyway, back to what I was saying. Oh, and also shout out to everybody who's still watching my old video from almost a year ago now. I posted it in December, I think, and people are still watching, commenting, and subscribing through that video, and I really, really appreciate it. That's what inspired this one. And there was one particular one of my subscribers. She commented and she said she's a senior in high school and she needed some hairstyles for going back to school. So, honey, these are for you, because some of these are a little childish, I know, but I would wear this anyway. I don't care. So, I'm way beyond high school years, so I would still wear these two ponytails. But ooh, ooh, cheerleader mode. Oh, let's go. But okay, so yeah, that's who inspired these. These are for my subscriber who says she's in high school and she's a senior, and I hope y'all didn't hear that ping. But yeah, she's a senior in high school and she needs some inspo. So here you go, girl. And also, I filmed this video in on 2 different days. So I know some people are super observant and detail oriented. So if you notice that in the first half, I had on. Matter of fact, I'm not even gonna tell y'all. I want to see if y'all notice what the difference is. Um, Now that I just said something, if you know, if you notice a difference between the first couple minutes of this video and now, comment what the difference is. And I'm going to show, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do something special. Matter of fact, comment what the difference is, and somebody else comment what the prize should be. Because I don't know. I'm new to this. Oh, with these two ponytails, I did each side a different way because while I was doing them, I thought of a different way to do the other side. So you let me know which side you like better. The first side was kind of like a freestyle, like I style each piece, and then this one I kind of rolled everything together, and then I left that one little twist out so that I could cover the hair tie at the end. So let me know which one. One is a little like neater, one is kind of messy. I don't know. I don't even know which one I like better, honestly. It was like, why did I do them two different ways and now I like both ways? So let me know, do you like the neater side, which is the left side of my head, or the kind of messy bun, which is the right side of my head? Yeah, that's why I left that one out so I could cover that. Okay, on to the next style. On to the next. So also I want to get to know my subscribers a little better. So I mean, you guys have given me a lot, and like a lot, I got a lot of good comments in my other video, but I still want to get to know y'all more. Like, tell me things like how long. I really want to know a lot about the length of my subscribers hair, because these are, like, I know my hair is super long, so it's certain styles that I could probably do because of my length, and that it might be harder for other people to do. So maybe I could try to think of, short hair lock styles, or styles that like work for everybody. Oh, my grandma called me, so I got distracted. I'm not talking to myself, I promise. This one I really like for like an interview, or like a formal, not super formal. I mean, it could be casual too, but I just like this as a little bit dressier. Like if I'm trying to be a little bit more put together. And that one, I didn't need a hair tie at all. I just used my own locks to tie everything. And also, guys, if you have like rope twist or something like this, or plaits in your hair, it's so, well, I shouldn't even have to tell nobody. I know me, my scalp gets really dry in these hairstyles, so you're going to want you to some hair oil. And if you watch my other videos, you'll know like what products I use in my hair, how I lay my edges and stuff like that. Although I am looking for a new edge control, so if any of my subscribers have any suggestions, please let me know, because the one that I've previously been using is cool, but it kind of melts over time, and it doesn't hold like I wanted to hold. Like after, I don't know, maybe 3-4 hours, it's like my edges start to lift and curl up. Oh, if I sound weird, it's because I'm a little sick and congested. Weather is changing rapidly, and cooties are out, so yeah. See, like I have to keep going back to like lay my edges back down because they keep lifting up. Although I am in the process of like styling and restyling my hair, still I feel like my edges should just kind of stick, or I want them to stick. Stay there, stay in place. And with this, I was kind of like looking at my color. So if anybody's wondering, that is actually a mistake. So my roots, my stylist, she used a permanent hair color to dye my roots, which was a little frustrating because I've never used permanent color in my hair before. I've always just lightened my hair with bleach, and then I'll use a rinse, because a couple years ago, like maybe I dyed my hair this color in 2018, and before that my hair was blonde, like just no color in it at all. It was just bleached, so it was, of course my roots were black, and then the rest of my hair was blonde. So when I got this color, I got my entire head well, not my entire head, but I got my roots lightened, so that requires bleach. And then I got the Adore rinse put over top. I believe the brand was Adore anyway. So I don't know why she switched up this time. Because I always wanted to have the option to go back blonde, but now that I have this permanent color on my roots, I don't know. And yeah. I mean, she said she could fix it, but I ended up doing my own hair. So this video I actually recorded like a few weeks ago. So right now I actually just retwisted and washed and retwisted my own hair. And I didn't film it because I'm still a beginner and I'm learning, but I might show you guys, just do like a video and show you guys like my progress and how I'm learning and growing, because I actually washed and retwisted my hair in like 3 hours, and usually it takes me like all day. I don't know why I'm so slow, but it takes me all day to do a wash and retwist, and I was so proud of myself. I finished in 3 hours. So this is the last but not least hairstyle. I'm using that stuff. I don't know the name. Y'all know what that is. It's that gold string. That's what it is. So when you do this, I'm just basically just wrapping. You see what I'm doing, but the key is how tight you pull it. So you just want to make sure you pulling it a little tight when the two strings cross, and not too tight, but so your ponytail could be nice and even all the way down. I low-key wish that I would have put this out before Halloween, because this reminds me of like a Genie ponytail, like or something like that, or like it would be a good Halloween ponytail. But I still think it would be cute for just like going out. Like it's not necessarily a Halloween hairstyle, but it definitely could have been a part of someone's costume. Maybe next year. And this is, look at my face. Why do y'all, I'm so sorry I make the weirdest faces. But yep, at the end, you just want to wrap that thing and tuck your loose hairs under. You don't want like little strings sticking out, so tuck, if you know what I mean. I showed it. I showed what I was doing, but I can't explain it. And then you just keep wrapping, 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 wrapping. And again, this looks like it was so hard to do, but it was so easy. I had to play around with the string for a while just to figure out, like, okay, what I'm going to do with it. But I really like this. And, of course, my camera died, and I had to come back and show you guys a little close-up. And you can really see the difference in my hair color. Like, it's two different shades. But it's okay. It's okay. It's all right. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.